घाना होम किट अवे
Oh,
किट अगेन
Wow.
बहुत अच्छा
damn.
काम किया है. Collectively we can
Spider-Man
see
far away
this.
from home.
Like this is the one Puma jersey which feels acceptable.
Yeah, so this is like a clear 8 out of 10 for us. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Haiti out here. Bhai, when I talk about Haiti, it reminds me only of one person, bhai.
Sonny Nodi.
Yeah.
Sorry, Norden.
Just that they are showing, I think, the freedom struggle, maybe
Freedom
through
struggle
the
of Haiti,
design.
yeah.
That's solid. That is
That's
solid.
solid. That is
That's
very solid.
really, statement.
I don't mind that it's very plain, but like we all discussed about the freedom struggle,
Yeah.
raising their country's flag, absolutely amazing. I think it's a 8 out of 10 for all of us.
Iraq, nothing special by kuch nahi bolna. We will be talking about like this. 3 out of 10.
Skip it,
Iran,
man.
again, lion को रखा है, चीता को
Cheetah,
रखा
it's
है.
cheetah.
बांग्लादेश की जैसी लग रही है.
That's that.
4 out of
हमजा
10.
चौधरी
4
दिख
out
रहा
of
है मुझे इसमें.
10. Japan, bhai. Good, sleek design, but personally for me, I think they could have done much better with the away kit. So clear home, 8 out of 10 for me. Japan, away kit, I don't know. 3.
I think home kit solid 8. Adidas have done phenomenally well with the colors. I love the crest. Absolutely big fan of the crest.
Awesome.
9 for
But
the
the away kit
crest.
is not complementing the
Yes,
crest.
crest
The kit
that
is not
much.
complementing the crest. Yeah, for
Yes. Away kit 6 out of 10. Crest is 9 for sure.
I want to add something very much important out here कि Japan's के concept kits are much more mind blowing than their national team kits.
True.
For the home kit, I would still go with 7.5 because nostalgia.
Jordan.
2. 2.
1.5.
ये कुछ नहीं है.
1.5.
1.
1.
Oh.
Oh. Adidas have cooked. I can still smell the food.
For us, 9 out of 10 by without
Favorite
any
crest.
doubt.
10 out of 10 for the crest.
This is the one jersey which Manas Bhai wants to have.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. I love the away kit. The away kit is
Oh
too
my
good. The crest. Oof.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Morocco, Manas bhai, bring it again.
Again, roses are red, violets are blue. The Puma hate watch of Manas Dubey will forever continue.
I
Crest is
will
nice.
give
Crest
crest
is nice.
of course good, unique. The patterns around in the away kit and the collars around in the home kit looks good.
Yeah.
Still better. Respectable
that
for
Still
Puma.
better. Yeah.
For that, 5.
5, yes.
Both 5
Collective.
and no debate. तीनों बोलेंगे 5.
Yeah,
5.
five. Oh my god. Oh, I've got that.
bhai.
Bhai sahab, I've
What
got
the-
that.
This kit reminds me of Germany again, home kit 2014. बहुत सा वैसा ही है, but again home kit it looks really good. मुझे personally कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि this kit is going to win the World Cup. I don't know why, but I
Oh my god, that's such a bold prediction.
Okay, so collectively 9 and 8.
Ah,
Ooh.
okay.
I'm not gonna say it.
Clear collectively, I think we will be agreeing upon 6 out of 10.
Oh,
This is a wicked, right?
Oh,
This is a
We
wicked.
have a winner.
We have the winner for away kits.
We
This
have
is a
a
winner
winner.
for us. I'm not sure about the home kit. Worked really well with the home kit, bhai. Representing the crest, of course. Clear 7, but for me, this home,
10
the
out of
way
10.
kit. home
10 out of
kit
10 मेरे लिए दोनों. Imagine
Fantastic.
Soumyadeep in this kit. Erling Sarkar. Wow.
Oh,
गाड़ी के बिना तो
I don't know what they. Reebok.
Reebok.
Bhai, Reebok is here.
Reebok.
Reebok.
Wow, they still exist.
Reebok
huh?
is here. They
Yeah.
still exist. Yeah, of course. नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बाद मुझे पहली बार Reebok दिखा किसी जर्सी में. भाई दिस इज एटीएम
Oh
का
my
जर्सी है
God.
भाई. एटीएम का जर्सी.
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ 80K भाई एथलेटिको से
80K.
कोलकाता.
Nice work. 5 out of 10.
5 out of
We'll,
5.
we can agree.
7 for
We can
away,
agree.
5 for
7. Away kit is good.
बहुत सा
Solid.
similar to Argentina. बहुत सा similar
Yeah,
to
yeah,
Argentina with
yeah.
the colors.
away kit. Very interesting to say the least. Not a fan again. I think it's a 5 for both.
The only disadvantage Portugal has in this World Cup is having a Puma on their like that guy.
This looks very. Of course, the stripes are again template based.
And
Nine,
even
nine
American
for
kit
the away kit for sure. And the home kit solid 8 as well. मतलब they've done
Yeah.
ball जाने वाला design.
uh,
Wow. Do we have another new winner?
I guess so.
It's like the gravy of butter chicken. For me, both will go for clear 8.5.
Nine
Nice
for
one.
both. I love the crest. Away kit में जो Nike का tick and the crest जो grey में, it's just too good. I even love what they've done in the back of the jersey.
Yeah.
I can't tell, like it's too good, man. The crest is amazing.
Again भाई,
Oh
again.
my god.
I mean like
मतलब
other home kit में अगर golden होता it would have been a clear 9.5 only. Away kit I will be going for a 7 rate, but home kit clear 8.
I think the only thing they had to replace was जो away kit में जो golden है वो green कर देना चाहिए
Yes.
white के
Yeah,
साथ,
yeah,
और
yeah.
gold यहाँ ले
हाँ.
exact
हाँ.
switch करते बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा.
बहुत अच्छा था.
Scotland
Debutants.
away kit not a big fan of the away kit. Seems like a basketball jersey. Now I will not be a great fan, but color का मैं fan हूँ इसलिए मैं इसको 8 दूंगा.
Not a fan. Similar to Japan's away kit, the lines.
Yeah.
Not a fan.
Yes.
Home kit 7-4 for the away kit. Very bad.
Fan of the color of Scotland. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
5. Away kit 2.
Okay, Senegal. Interesting work around
Okay.
here again, but
Blue and white away kits are back.
Manas bhai, I think the only summary that we can talk about of the Senegal jersey is your line once again.
Roses are red, violets are blue. The hate for Puma away kits of Manas Dubey shall continue.
Continues.
Not
अरे
bad.
सेनेगल
I think
लोगों
the-
का जो मिलिट्री है ना वो ग्रीन वाला जर्सीज का टाइप है लाइक ऐसा उनका
Okay.
यूनिफॉर्म है
5 for
Okay, bhai, away kit looks so good.
home as well man
The home
as well,
kit,
man.
of course, the prints, the lines around
Oh,
makes it look so good, and with a bold color.
Too good.
For
too good.
me, I think 9. I think we can agree upon 9 by
Yeah,
cap
9 for
color.
both, 100%.
oh I want to speak my favorite team I want to speak
Lamine
Oh my God.
Yamal in this kit, bhai.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
No
boy.
one else.
Visite na.
Big cafe.
O Papa Japa.
One of the best home kit, by one
Yeah.
of the best home kit.
One thing I want to add is that home kits में they have recently started using the dark blue color in the shoulders. Spain. पहले वो नहीं था.
The pattern has spoken so much in the jersey
Yeah.
around there.
Yeah.
Both clearly goes for 9 for me.
Not the biggest fan, maybe 7 for both.
Yeah, 10
Looks
out
so
of
good.
10 for both because I'm biased for Spain.
The
Home
design
kit is
still
exactly
the
same as Colombia, just the logo is
Yes.
different. Exactly.
I think-
same.
4 out of 10 both.
Uh,
Manas bhai, your line will go again with this.
Water is wet and Manas hates Puma.
Bhai,
नहीं यार गलती
two out
से
of 10.
स्पॉन्सरशिप की बात हो जाएगी तो ये वो कट करना पड़ेगा. नहीं. I love Puma. Roses are red, violets are blue. Again, roses are red, violets are blue. Roses are red, violets are blue. The Puma hate watch of Manas Dubey will forever continue. I love Puma. Puma, waiting for you. My contact details will be in the description. Don't. It's 5 on
3 out
10.
of 10. Okay.
Just for the
Okay.
respect, 5 on 10.
Oh, I want to have this. Turkey are every
course.
time dark horses of every competition.
बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ है. I
Yeah.
think we can agree upon 8. लेकिन ladies and gentlemen, one I want to talk about the away kit. Bhai,
Black
they
Panther.
Wow.
actually do it by Black
Panther.
Panther. Bhai.
Tribute to Black
Clearly,
Panther.
Nike, what a kit. I don't know about the color, about how the home kit will look on the players right there, but the away kit. Imagine, bhai.
I'm happy for the Uruguayan fans to be finally have gotten rid of Puma. Again, roses are red, violets are blue. It's almost giving me Wakanda forever. vibes.
Wakanda forever, yeah.
Yes. Home kit 7, away kit 9. Ooh.
Oh,
I think, bhai, this can compete. This is like classic 1960s, the 60s America.
yeah.
Crest is
stars
iconic, and I
representing-
even love what they've done at the back of
At
the,
the back.
collar. US, the
Yes.
calligraphic font is
Uh-huh.
very 8.5 for both maybe. AFC India versus Uzbekistan trauma 3-0.
Okay, so भाई final top 3 का मैं पूछूंगा. Manas bhai, your top 3.
Norway blacked out. South Africa away kit.
South Africa,
Green.
away kit.
Mexico's away kit.
Junaid,
First of all, I would like to go with the Norway's black kit, Spain, the away kit of Brazil.
मेरे लिए of course in the top 3 I won't rank them, but for me Germany home, Spain home, I'll be biased here, Argentina away.
Adidas Paglu. तीनों Adidas kits हैं.
Adidas ने colors के साथ बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. For that I had to really appreciate them. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much भाई यहाँ पे आज के वीडियो के लिए. एंड आपका कौन सा फेवरेट जर्सी रहा जरूर हमें कमेंट में बताइएगा. एंड यस मानस भाई, एनी last words for this video.
Can't wait for the World Cup to get started. 48 teams are seeing for the first time. रातों की नींद उड़ने वाली है with the timings of the World Cup games, of course, but can't wait to see some of these kids, especially the South Africa kids, the Haaland and the Norway kid. Wow, it's going to be a roller coaster. It's going to be a ride. Very
Okay,
exciting.
so yes, तो वर्ल्ड कप में भाई बहुत मजा करने वाले हैं हम सब, बिकॉज पैनल में जो रहने वाले, ये अभी तक मैं सरप्राइज दूंगा, ये रहेगा सरप्राइज, हम मैच डे के पहले अनाउंस करेंगे पोस्टर्स के साथ। तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा फुटबॉल वार्डी को, क्योंकि हम ऐसे ही वर्ल्ड कप कवर करने वाले हैं मस्ती मजाक के साथ। वॉच अलॉन्ग्स में जरूर से आइएगा। एनालिसिस के लिए हमारा वीडियोस है एंड रील्स है, तो डू फॉलो अस ऑन ऑल सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स, लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। ऑल्सो डू फॉलो मानस दुबे आउट देयर, उनका भी सोशल का हैंडल मैं यहाँ पे दे दूंगा। तो यस, तीनों एक साथ भाई। This is Somideep.
This is Junaid.
This is Manas Dubey signing off.